You're watching the Tish 21.
What's up, guys? So we are taking the G out right now. We did have a bunch of issues. So if you guys watched the video already with the tuning night, we took it out that night, did a couple pulls in it. Car was running fantastic, but near the end of the night, we started seeing issues with the starter motor. We started seeing issues with like going to limp mode and shit. It was really weird, but I was able to bump start it with the clutch and keep it going and got it home. But I did get the starter motor replaced, so we just replaced it. That shit sits above the turbo, so it was an absolute nightmare to take out. But basically, it just ended up having to take out the turbo filter, and we were kind of able to like squeeze it out through the top there. So we got everything working. Now the car starts. We're gonna take it over to Dyno Motorsports today, and we're gonna take a look at the logs on the ECU and see how the car is doing, and hopefully there's no issues. But other than that, the car is running like power-wise, guys. It's fucking madness. Like, I'm not even joking. It's nuts. It's crazy because the power band from the old tune that you guys remember, the 880 wheel tune, and this is completely different. So the old tune, the power would come in way earlier, but then it would die off a little bit harder at the top end. I kind of lost. This setup's a lot laggier. Like around 3K RPM, I don't have anywhere near as much power as I used to have on the old tune. But on the top end, I have an extra like 50 wheel going towards redline. So it makes for a much better highway pull car, but it kind of killed the like city in, you know, street ability of the car a little bit. So let's get this car going and get you some footage.
I take everything I said back.
Second? Bro, he did it from second, third, fourth.
Yeah.
How did that hook on second?
Super my dick! Super my dick!
Shit, after being in that, bro, fuck a Beamer. This is the ultimate driving machine, no? Bro, I just cannot fucking believe how he's hooking. Bro, you cannot hook with the power like this. Like, period.
on the floor now.
Legs, bro.
The fuck? That is not, but the lag is so minimal.
It's not that. I mean, yo, you guys don't know it because you didn't experience what it was like before. It was insane before. It was like 3,500 right here, power. Like, you know, like.
Really? At 3,500.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
after 5,000, this car is insane.
Yeah, exactly.
Yo, you gotta hear it from the front. Hear it from the front. What the fuck, yo? That's crazy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.